Hi, welcome to my channel, Dansoy, amateur cook, aka Batman in the Kitchen. Welcome to the Food Zone, where we take this journey together, learning recipes as one. Today is Wednesday's upload. It's good to see you again. And we're going to make a quick and easy recipe. It's a basil pesto pasta with fire roasted tomatoes and bread with garlic and butter. And there's a new theme on my channel. I'm going to do it now and then. It's meals under 20, meals under 10, meals under $8, because we're all on a budget and we need to watch our money. So at times it's good to try to buy quality stuff and make it at a cheaper price. And sometimes you could buy certain things for a certain price and get a couple meals out of it. So on today's recipe, we have pasta. I got this for about $1. I got garlic, which is about 50 cents. I got this ciabatta roll for $1. I got this basil pesto for $3, but we're only going to use about $1 worth of this. And the fire roasted tomatoes, it was $1.50. But with these fire roasted tomatoes, like in this one, you're only going to use about maybe 50 cents to 75 cents. Sorry if it sounds like I'm nickel and diming it, but just trying to explain it a little bit more. And like I said, with the pesto, that was $3, but we're only going to use some of this in today's recipe. But that's what I mean. You could buy stuff like this and the fire roasted tomato, and like with these two, you can get like 3 different meal options out of it. So a lot of times you just have to think about the future. And yeah, that's my new theme to my channel. Now and then I'll post meals for our budgets. So let's take this journey together. So we got the pot. We're going to fill that with water. We're going to add some sea salt to that, and we're going to boil it 8 to 10 minutes. And then after that, we'll add the pesto and the garlic, and we're set. And I really think this meal could be done in 15 minutes or less, maybe even 10 minutes or less. See you soon. Alright, so we have our water in our pan, Facebook and YouTube, and we're going to throw some salt in there to cook this pasta. So now we're just going to open this pasta and get started. That's the longest, is boiling pasta. Alright, YouTube and Facebook, we're back. Now we have the pasta in there, and we're going to let this start boiling, and then we're going to push the pasta down. So that's what takes the longest. But with this meal, it definitely should take $6 or under. My estimate, $5. So that's what I mean. You can buy quality products and make cheaper meals. It just takes a little bit of shopping around and thinking about new recipes ahead of time. But we're in this journey together, and to be honest with you, I've never cooked this before. So like I said on my channel before, most of my recipes are new, and I'm learning with you. Alright, so we're slowly getting there. You can see that our pasta sunk down into the water, and it's starting to boil and steam. So like I said, that takes like 8 to 10 minutes. It depends on your pot and your stove. But like I said, that's the longest. After that, we'll drain it, put it on a plate, mix in the pesto, and top it with fire roasted tomatoes and put some on the side, and bread it up. So it's a good meal for 2 people. You could use it for lunch or for dinner, or even a snack, and split it up. So see you in a bit. Alright, so we're almost there. It's definitely boiling, and it's been cooking for a couple minutes. So I'm just moving the pasta around. And actually I changed my mind on something. After that's done, we'll drain the water. I'll throw some of this pasta into this mixing bowl, and I'll add some of the pesto where I can mix it, and then I'll add some of the crushed garlic also. So we're just waiting on this pasta. Alright, so our pasta is done. You can see the steam coming off of it. We're going to just use these dongs And we're going to start moving it to our mixing bowl. And you can see the amount of pasta I have in there. Like I said, I got that for like $1. So it's probably more than I actually need for 2 people. But you're going to want to add the pasta to that. And after that, we'll add the garlic. We're going to use this press. And we're going to squeeze actually maybe just 1 clove of garlic in there. So this meal is definitely under $6. Alright, so that's the pasta. Now we're going to do this clove of garlic. And there's that really good quality basil pesto I was telling you about. But first we'll use the press. And first we'll use that press, and then we'll mix the basil into there. Alright, so we got the we got the garlic in there. And this thing is kind of like a pain. You can see it there. You usually have to scrape it out. But that'll put fresh garlic into there. And just take it and use a spoon, and we'll add that garlic to it. Sorry, it's hard to hold this camera and do this at the same time. I have to get a tripod for this camera. But you're going to want to take this garlic out, and then we're just going to mix it. Alright, so the garlic is in there. So you're just going to want to toss this about and work the garlic in there. After that, we'll throw the pesto in there. Alright, so we have that pesto in there. It's basil. You can see the quality. We only use part of it that has olive oil. So now you're going to want to take a fork or whatever you want to do, and you want to work this pesto in that. It covers most of the pasta. Alright, YouTube and Facebook, you can see I took the fork and I mixed that together. So the white pasta became basil pesto with the fresh garlic inside. So just by using your imagination and recreating dishes and thinking of new recipes, you can create some tasty recipes that don't cost a lot of money. Now we're just going to plate this, and then we'll add some fire roasted tomatoes on top and on the side, and then we'll get our roll, and we'll put garlic butter on there, put it in the microwave. If you want, you could throw it in a toaster oven or warm it however you want. But this doesn't take that long. Alright, so there's your plate of basil pesto pasta with garlic. And actually, looking onto that, you could probably get more than 1 meal for 2 people out of there. That's a lot of pasta. Alright, so we added our fire roasted tomatoes. If you want it, you could put it on the side, but since I made so much pasta, it's hard to. But right there you have your basil pesto pasta with garlic and your fire roasted tomatoes. For some reason I can't say basil today. Now we'll do the bread. Now just take the bread, cut it in half, put garlic butter in there, and warm it to what you want. Alright, so I cut up the bread. I'm going to put garlic butter on there, and I'm just going to warm it really quick in the microwave. Alright, YouTube and Facebook, we're done. There's our bread, there's our fire roasted tomatoes, and there's our basil pesto. So there's your meal for under $6. This is your Wednesday upload. Be safe. Enjoy the week. I will see you Friday. I'm not sure what's on the menu for Friday, but I'll be bringing you really soon more recipes like the Domino's pizza hot dog and the scrambled egg and cheese hot dog. Those will be on the menu in the future, but I'm not sure what's planned for Friday. See you Friday. Peace out, Dansoy.